Welcome back to Easy Car Care and welcome back to yet another new weekly series that we're going to be doing every Tuesday called Quick Tip Tuesday. Now, as you can probably gather from the title of the new series, every video on a Tuesday is going to be very brief, 2 to 3 minutes long, but it's going to be full of really important information, tips, tricks, advice on how we would use certain products, what products we would use with others, just to give you guys a little bit of a heads up if you're a beginner or this is the first time you've used our product range, to give you a little bit more confidence when you are doing so. So today we're going to go outside, do a little bit of work on some alloy wheels, so we'll follow that process, catch back up in here in 5 minutes or so, and we'll run through everything that we've seen in the video. So we hope you like this. Stay tuned and we'll see you very shortly. There you have it, job complete. So as you've just seen there, we've used Viper on the alloys, we've then used citrus wash on the tyres, again making sure that we're scrubbing these in with 2 separate detailing brushes. The reason that I've gone for the larger one on the tyres, simply I just thought it would be common sense due to the tyre wall being so thick, bigger surface area, so I thought I'd cover it a little bit faster with that. This one being slightly smaller, obviously you can get into the more intricate areas of the wheel, make sure that you get in all of those tight little grooves and just make sure that the wheels are spotless. Now if we're looking specifically at Viper, it's really important that obviously you do let this dwell as everything else, obviously let it do its job, let it make its purpose known, but don't be leaving it on there too long. Now if you do leave it on there too long, what you're going to find is it'll streak, it might stain. So again, allow it to do its job, but don't be excessive, don't be lazy. It might be worth doing one wheel, move on to the next. As you've finished applying this onto the other wheel, then just revert back to that previous wheel, clean that off, rather than going all the way around the car and leaving them. It just might be in some situations a little bit too long to leave that. Obviously if the sun's up, it's going to dry a lot quicker. Now moving on to other things, the last video that we did, or rather 2 videos ago, we did a little competition for a pro bottle of Sleek. Now the winner of that competition after quite a few entries is a gentleman called Ian Perry. So Ian, thank you very much for entering, well done. Give us a call, email us, whatever, get in touch with us and we'll get that sent out to you. So thank you very much to everyone that did enter that. The feedback was unbelievable. But yeah, other than that, we'll leave the video there. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you've got any questions about any of these products. These will all be in the description below as well, so that you can get onto them, learn a little bit more specifically and a little bit more in depth about them. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next video.